Tips and tricks for Last War survival. So the first tip we have for you is to focus on resource management. So gather resources constantly and prioritize food and water. The next is to recruit survivors strategically. So not all survivors are the same. They're gonna have their different traits. So make sure you know how to well, divide them and use them properly. So next is to utilize the valor badges and special events. Okay, remember valor badges are important, so do keep them. Next is to optimize survivor work assignments and focus on technology and research. So this is important as certain techs like those improving resource gathering and survivalist gear will be able to help you like a lot. Finally, we have balanced exploration and base management. So send survivors on expeditions and also don't overexplore. And if you're really willing and are having fun with the game, so just stay active with your daily tasks. So daily login and missions, don't forget to check in daily tasks and log in rewards because completing daily missions or challenges can give you free resources and items that are essential for progressing, especially for like early players. So yeah, if this video does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.